Welcome to this episode of this video, and this is Adeyemi if you are just stumbling on my channel for the first time. So I've been talking about this indicator, right, that is printing massive dollars every blessed day. In the last video that I made, we were riding this particular signal, this particular one in the last video. So yesterday we wrote this up back here, and today now I just come online now, and I enter a bit late. I will have done some dollars by now. Okay, I will have done like let me just put it here, like 90% by now on gold. This is gold. Okay, so well then no problem. And I'm already in now. I'm already in, and it's already printing dollars, as you can see it now. Okay, so guys, and you can remember that you don't just enter the trade. You remember that you have our what is it called, a confirmation platform, where we're gonna confirm if we should go or not. So and as you can see, this is the confirmation right here. So the confirmation said go, and that is why we are here trading, right? That is why we are here trading. So guys, this is not the indicator that you actually supposed to meet. So either you are a pro or you are just a beginner in trading, cryptocurrency, forex trading. This too you actually need this too. Yes, you actually need it because it's printing massively. You know how to get it right. Maybe you are just watching my video for the first time. How to get it is actually very simple. What you need to do is just to $50. The price for this indicator, I will do the setup for you on TradingView, and I will send the file of MT4 to you. So you need to install MT4 on your PC, and I will set up the TradingView on for you. Okay, what you need to do is just to make the payment of $50. But between now and Monday, today is Saturday, today's date is 12th, right? So by 15th of this month on Monday, maybe, I still don't know, and he stopped giving it out at 50% discount. So it will go off the 75,000 naira, which is $50 straight away. But if you want to get it between now and Monday, you still have opportunity to get it at this 50%, which is $25, 37,500 naira. Once you make the payment to this bank account here below, so you can message me on Telegram or send the payment proof to my email address, then and your TradingView username and password. Then from there, I will dig it up and send you the files, and you start trading with it. You don't need analysis or anything like that. What you need to do is just to have the basic knowledge on how to trade, how to enter the parameters, like my stop loss, my entry, my take profits. Once you know how to do that, you are good to go, right? You are good to go. So that is it. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi. Bye for now.